Ladies and gentlemen, another house for sale. This one's in Valrico. I'm going to give you all the details in the post. Look at this beautiful color. Look at this beautiful landscaping. And it has probably the best home gym I've ever seen in my life. Are you guys excited? Let's go take a tour. All right. We're in the middle of doing videos and pictures. So we're going to walk in. Beautiful living room area. Bonus space right here if you want to put a Christmas tree or whatnot. And then we have the eating kitchen. To the right is the laundry area. And we have our kitchen area. And then we have the dining room area. And then we have the bonus area, which I think is cool, because dining room and bonus area. Huge family room. And like I say with everything else, if you want to see the bedrooms, you must call me and set up a showing, because I don't want to give everything away, right? I will show you the coolest gym, though, in the world. Look at this backyard. Cool for the pets. If you want to put in a pool, right? A couple dogs, maybe a donkey. All right. So again, we're going to walk back in. You got this bonus area, dining room, kitchen, living room space, master over there, and then, hold on, wait for it, another bedroom, quick sneak peek, and here's the home gym. Oh, bam! Oh, is that coming with the house? I don't know. But if you're looking for an amazing deal, beautiful house here in Valrico, let me get out of this echo. If you're looking for an amazing house, call us today, bam, and we'll talk to you soon.